How's it going, YouTube? It's your host with the most Solaris 100, and today I'm gonna have a massive Carhartt sale unpacking for you guys. Hi guys, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram as well. Because I'm always posting up my latest pickups or cool trainers I'm spotting somewhere, so make sure you press that follow button. One thing I really want to tell you guys is that I think that Carhartt is a massively underrated label. Not only was Carhartt massive in the 90s with their Carhartt jackets and those kind of neoprene hoodies, like everybody had it back in the days. In 94, like a very clever Swiss businessman got the license from Carhartt and he started Carhartt Work in Progress. And from 94 onwards, they collaborated with Vans, Fragment Design, Babe, you name it. Still, somehow Carhartt never plays together with the big boys. I personally love Carhartt. It does so many solid pieces. So whenever sales season comes around, I'm checking out the Carhartt website. And as you can see, I got a couple of pieces there. Let's tuck into that box and see what I got. So let's have a look. Oof. Don't we all like to unwrap presents? All this has cost me around 200 euros. Most of these items I'm about to show you guys were at least 50% off. I would really recommend always check out your local Carhartt store or the Carhartt website. They're doing really good steals. So let's see what I got. The first thing I'm spotting here is a pair of gray denim. That was originally priced at 100 euros. I got it for 49 euros, which is an absolute steal. Normally I'm more of a blue jean guy, but I thought I'd mix it up a little bit. It looks a little bit worn in, which I really like. I think it's a cool look. You can combine it with flannels or basic t-shirts. This will just work with any piece of outfit you got. Talking about pieces of clothing that work with everything, the next pickup is this kind of blue denim shirt. I think this was at least 80 euros. I picked that up for 50 euros. So that's pretty nice. It's a very nice basic piece to have in your collection. Now getting a little bit more exciting, dreaming of spring. Another pickup is this all-out pink t-shirt. As you know, I think real men wear pink. I'm not afraid of bold colors. That was like 15 euros. And it's a really nice t-shirt. Carhartt has very solid quality. It has very minimal branding. Another thing I really like, it just has the Carhartt, the classic Carhartt logo on the side pocket. A classic piece, you know, you can't go wrong, you can't go wrong. The next piece I having has a little bit more conservative color scheme. So for all you guys that were too shocked by my pink shirt. This is like a college jacket, a Carhartt college jacket. I think this was like super cheap as well, like 39 euros or something like that. This looks super clean. You can combine it with a lot of other things you have. So definitely a great pickup, highly recommended. But there's still more things to see. So after going for all this kind of classic pieces, I had to go for something a little bit more exciting and adventurous as well. I picked up this crazy camo pant. As you know, I'm quite fond of camo. I love camo and I love it in all its different variations. This is called the Aviation Pant, so it's a little bit more loose fitting and baggy, which I think is quite cool as well. I do like a bit more tapered jeans, but sometimes you just have to get more baggy. Last but not least, of course, I had to wrap the whole thing up with a little gimmick. So I had to look at the accessory section and I found this. You know, sometimes even a hype beast and a shopaholic like me feels like he wants to save some money. But if I don't have a money bank, how can I save money? Maybe that's the problem, you know, that I don't have a money bank. So I saw this money bank on the Carhartt website. It was 50% off and I really liked it. So yeah, let me show you guys and let's see what you think about it. Okay, how will I unravel this box? Stupid! Here we go. Ta-da! Cool, man. So yeah, it's actually a really nice size. It's the Carhartt money box with a duck on it. Goes very well with the shirt. So I'm already perfectly color coordinated. Thanks to this thing, you don't have to crush it with a hammer if you want to cash out. So as you can see, I got a lot of bang for my buck. I got 2 pairs of pants. I got a denim shirt. I got a t-shirt. And I got a windbreaker college jacket. Plus a money bag. I mean, not too shabby at all. Yeah, I'm really happy with my pickups. Of course, now I gotta try them and see if they fit. Boom! And as you can see, through the magic of YouTube, I transformed into this beautiful bearded male model. Ooh. It's all my size, it fits perfectly. I really like the cut of the Carhartt stuff as well, because it's just a little bit loose but never too baggy. If you want to see how the whole thing works with my trainers, please check out my Instagram. That's all for now. Like this video if you enjoyed my unboxing. Follow me if you want to see more videos. Let me know in the comments what you think about Carhartt. If you like it, if you love it, if you have some classic old school Carhartt pieces still in your wardrobe, let me know in the comments. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys later. Bye.